Good afternoon. Here today up on the eastern shore of Virginia, and we're harvesting a potato trial. And we've got multiple different application methods out here. We've got our traditional application method of chlorpicrin with a flex fume, which is a bedded system with a press pan where chlorpicrin is fall applied. But what we're evaluating here is a strip till application where we fall straight in behind a harvested corn crop, no pre-tillage, which versus flex fume would be about 3 less passes across the field to prepare the ground for application. So we come in directly on the back side of a corn crop and strip till fumigate, leaving residue in the middles. This helps with erosion, this helps with cover crop establishment, and obviously it's less passes against the field. So we're evaluating how effective chlorpicrin in potato growth is in that system as opposed to a bedded system. And one way that we're evaluating this is we have a penetrometer, which is measuring soil compaction around the root system or around where these tubers are set. So we'll flip the video around in just a second. We'll kind of show you how that works. All right, stop it. All right, so we're going to take depths at 3 inches, 6 inches, and 9 inches. Most of the potatoes are 8 to 9 inches in this bed, so we want to know what compaction is right around the tuber set. This compaction is going to matter because the tighter it is around that where those tubers are setting, it could impact size, it could impact overall yield. So we're going to push down. You can see at 3 inches, we're at about 50 pounds per square inch. When we go down to 6 inches, we're at right at 90, almost 100. And when we go down to 9, we're at probably about 220 pounds per square inch. So this is in our strip till application. All right, we'll swing around and we'll go check flex fume. All right, so here we're in a flex fume, our traditional bedded system. We're going to do the same exercise. 3 inches, we're at about 50 pounds per square inch. 6 inches, we're at about 80. And at 9 inches, we're at about 180, 200. So as you can see, really in both of these systems, we've got relatively little soil compaction around the tuber set, which is exactly what we're looking for. This helps with the harvest process, it helps with tuber initiation, and it just shows that overall cultural practices, we're not compacting our system even in a heavy tillage crop. All right, so this is just a visual representation of kind of that process we just went through, but this is dug down right through the middle of a hill of potatoes. And about where my finger is 9 inches deep down in that bed, where kind of the bottom of that compaction point is. So again, just a visual of why this matters. This is a cross section of these roots and where this potato is. And the more compacted this system is, the less these can size up, the more pressure there is on tuber set. So the highest yielding environment is going to be the least amount of compaction. So that's why this matters and why we're measuring it.